Good afternoon. Thank you for joining us. My name's Meredith, and I will be introducing our project, Romeo's Adventure. For our app, our team created a single-player RPG. Now I will let my team members who are present introduce themselves and what they worked on.
Hey there, I'm Skylar, and I was the lead architect, story design, and DevOps.
My name is Justin. I did lead front end, lead UX design, and animation design.
A couple members couldn't be with us today. Garrett Adams worked as our lead backend developer, as well as on character creation and combat design. And Zach Fair worked on concept design. And again, my name is Meredith. I worked on full stack development, graphic design, and story design. So we created a role-playing app based on our experiences in Code Platoon. There are a ton of inside jokes from our bootcamp throughout the game. Our app offers an interactive experience that takes the player through an engaging story filled with humor, combat, and riddles, while paying homage to Romeo Platoon. Members of the team, as well as teachers, make an appearance throughout the game. Developing a fully web-based game gave us the opportunity to practice unique techniques and apply the breadth of knowledge we've gained throughout this course. You'll see lots of animations throughout that were a particular challenge for us. Our game is for anybody who enjoys playing games. We have user authentication, autosave and auto-load features. Within the game, users can create characters and customize their character. There's an interactive map and story, there's turn-based animated dueling, and riddle mini-games. Our main character is Romeo, who goes on a quest to find the magical fork of Git that has been stolen by our villain Zuckerberg. The player will see an action-packed story, interactive map, and animated battles. Now we will demo our project. All right, welcome to the demo of our project. Our project is called Romeo's Adventure, and this is our landing page. You can see our logo as well as our login and sign up button. At the top in our nav bar, we have Romeo's Adventure, which is clickable, which takes you back to this page. We also have a Meet the Team page that when clicked, shows all the members of our team. We made little animations of all of our team members that you'll see throughout the game. We have our team members listed along with their personal GitHubs linked. And at the bottom, we have a special shout out to Code Platoon and our teachers. At the top, you can see we have a login and sign up feature where you can sign up if you don't already have an account, create an account. You can also sign in if you have an account. Once you sign in, it takes you to this page where you can go ahead and start the game. And I'm going to pass it off to my teammate, Skylar.
Hey, it's Skylar. I'm going to show you the main menu for Romeo's Adventure. Right here, we're faced with a character, which happens to be one of the bosses, Adam. He's actually the first boss you fight. After beating him, it will actually show the next boss in succession, which would actually end up being Zaynab. So just a cool little feature there. But today I'm going to show you the new game feature. By clicking New Game, you'll be taken into the world of Code Platoonia and learn about the mysterious fork that's been stolen from the people and how you'll be able to go about solving that problem in this world. You'll be faced with riddles and battles, and there'll be more on that later. But for now, I'll go ahead and just show you how you would traverse through some conversations here. In the beginning, we kept it pretty linear, not many choices, just to get people going through the story. And right now we're talking about each role that you can play as in this game. And we display that character here, and you'll click through and you'll see the next character, and we'll give another brief description about it. So I'm just going to go ahead and click through and show you the character creation mode. So now that you've gotten your brief detail about each of these, you'll now be able to select which one you would like to play. And I guess I'll be at the full stack today. Why not? And then you'll see here that we have dinero that you'll be able to use to directly influence your points or to help you in any riddles. So for now, go ahead and just start journey. And now you'll see just a little bit more of our story where you'll be able to have different options where they take you to different screens. So when you want to learn more about battles, you click here. It'll go ahead and just tell you more about battles, and same thing with riddles and map. But after you're done learning all that, you'll be able to go into the game. And before I go ahead and get into that battle, I'm going to go ahead and let my teammate Justin go ahead and cover all that for us. Thank you.
Thank you, Skylar. This is the map that players will be met with in between scenes. You can see that there's 12 stages to the game currently. Players will be shown a selectable button that takes them to the next stage, and it will be either a battle or a riddle or a story element. One of the features that you can access from here is the character page, which if we go into shows us the stats of our character and the amount of currency that we have. And it allows us to purchase a random stat if we had any money to spend. So we'll go back to the map and we will select into this next portion of the game. So here we're met with the mysterious Zuckerborg, and he is going to have us attempt a riddle. So with this, there are letters at the bottom of the screen that the character can choose from to solve the riddle. All the letters you need are down there, and the rest are randomly generated to provide options for the user. So if you select some of the buttons, it will fulfill the riddle, and you can deselect some of them if you select it incorrectly. Or if you finish the puzzle, which in this case, the answer is bug, it will solve the puzzle, it'll say it's correct, and you can continue to the next portion of the game. So if we go into this part, we're met with a discussion with myself, and he will have us battle Adam, who immediately did a fire blast on us. So all of the attacks in the game are animated. So we'll do a magic attack here, and it'll show a fire blast. Which didn't happen because our character missed. And Adam attacked us again, and we can do a sword attack, an arrow attack, and Adam has killed us. So let's restart. We'll go back to the battle. Adam missed. We'll do a sword attack. Excellent. And that's what a battle looks like here. So we can use our little special dev win button that we have in place for this developers, and we will go ahead and move forth from Adam. And you can see that the next stage in the game would be 4. So this will continue all the way to the end, and you can find out who Zuckerborg's identity is. Okay, so these are some of the technologies we used. React was our main front end component, and we used Django and PostgreSQL for the back end. And our coordination was done through Slack, Zoom, and Trello to help us keep our tasks flowing. Some of the technical challenges we faced: small team, large ambitions. This was a large project, and especially doing it as a web-based game. So the small team really made that difficult to balance. And then there was managing the animation and the React states was also very difficult, being a fully web-based game again. Non-technical challenges, managing and avoiding merge conflicts was probably the biggest one. While this wasn't necessarily a challenge because we handled it fairly well, it was something we had to consider every single day. Utilizing Trello to organize task flow and making sure that people were working on individual parts and weren't overlapping each day was an important part of that. And for potential improvements, I think the biggest one is using a multimedia software or a game engine rather than making web-based animations and gameplay. That would certainly contribute to a better game. And bug fixes, of course, being something that needs to be incorporated next. So our game is posted on romeosadventure.com if you'd like to go play it and see it in the state that it's currently in. That's it for Romeo's Adventure. Thank you for listening.